Well, looks like they got that spiral stairs down. I don't know how we're gonna get that away from here. They got all most of the railings up, or the beams, and they're carrying brick up. So I guess they're getting ready to start the brickwork. Made pretty good progress today, it looks like. Well, they got all the beams up, it looks like, and they're starting to work on putting the bricks. The brick roof. They're starting on that. So hot as the dickens out here in the sunshine, but they're making good progress. Well, they're building that wall over there and starting on the brick roof. So making good progress here. Well, they're making good progress on the brick roof. Shouldn't be too much longer until they have the roof finished there. Hot work in that hot sunshine every day. Well, the roof is getting closer and closer to completion. Been working on this about 4 weeks now, so they said it would take 5 weeks, so I'm hoping it'll be wrapped up before too much longer. Still got to build the arches on the front and side, so got a bit more to do, and working on the stairwell over there now. Got to build a ceiling up above the stairwell. So it's coming along. But boy, I'll be glad when it's through. What a mess.